Here we have it, my new project car. Look at this thing we just got from the auction. It's like, this is my new motor. This is the motor for a 2015 Jetta TDI, which is only available in 1 year, 2015. It's got the DEF. So we're gonna see if we can get the axles out. So I just got back to the shop. It's still light out. It's about 7:30, and this is what was stopping us. So I got one here. Had to go all the way back to town, 45 minutes there and 45 minutes back, just so we can install the DSG box on the motor that came from the manual transmission car. And it's ready to go back in. So to get the transmission on, before I put the flywheel on, I had to put a pilot bearing. The manual never came with a pilot bearing, and the DSG requires a pilot bearing. So I had to go all the way back to town and get one. Go all the way back to my dad's shop, put it back. And then put the flywheel on, tighten all the bolts evenly. I don't really have a video of me torquing it, but torqued it down. And then it's pretty simple setup on these. Like, nothing's really simple on it, but to pull the motor in and out, pretty simple. It's just really downpipe the wiring and the axles, and then your mounts, obviously. And so yeah, torque it down, start installing the transmission, putting everything together. I got the cherry picker supporting it right now so it doesn't run away on me. And then I got the transmission all bolted up. This is the line I was talking about for the coolant to cool the transmission's cooler. You got to swap that from the manual to the automatic as well. And then after that, like I said, it's pretty easy to swap the motor in. We start installing the engine. You get the motor mounts in, you hook up the downpipe, you hook up the axles, and then the wiring, and all your coolant pipes, and then your air conditioning, and you're done once you got the front end on. So it's a big unit basically. It runs, it's alive. We got an engine light though.